So today we're going to talk about subtracting two-digit numbers. And again, just like with adding, we've lined up our ones over our ones and our tens over our tens. And in this case, we definitely have the larger number on top, which is really important when you are subtracting. But we also don't have to regroup because we can take 1 away from 3 and 4 away from 8, no problem. One way in subtracting kids, it's much easier for them to count up instead of count down. So we talk about starting with a smaller number and counting up. So you have 1, 2, 3. So that means 3 minus 1 is 2. And 8 minus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer here would be 42. It gets a little bit more challenging when you have to regroup. So in this case, we still have the larger number on top, but this time in the ones place, we don't have enough ones. We can't take 5 away from 3. And a lot of kids will just say, well, I'm just going to take 3 away from 5. But what we get them to do is to really look and say, like, I'm going to need to draw this out in the beginning. We draw it out so they can see a model. I'm going to need to draw this out so I can see that I cannot take 3 away from 5 because that's not what I have. So we draw a model representation of 83. So that is 8 10 sticks and 3 ones. And then we have to take away 5 ones, but we don't have 5 ones to take away. So what we have to do is borrow one of the 10 sticks, break that apart, and make 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can take away 5, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many ones do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I have to take away 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was the one I borrowed. So how many tens do I have left? 3. So my answer is 38. And as you can see from this picture, what we drew is just the way that we were taught to do it when we were first taught subtraction. Is that really you need to borrow 10. So you go next door and you borrow, and then you don't have 8 10 sticks anymore, you only have 7. And when you borrow that 10, you put 10 there, and you already had 3, so that means you have 13. And that's the way we did it before, and you get the same answer. And we build up to that so that the kids no longer need the picture, but the picture is a really good place to start. Let's do one more. Show you the picture. If you look at the picture, this time you have 52 minus 29. My larger number is on top, but I'm trying to take 9 away from 2, and I can't do that. So I'm going to have to draw 5 10 sticks and 2 ones. I can't take 9 ones away, so I'm going to borrow one of my 10 sticks, break it apart into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can take away 10. Or excuse me, now I can take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ones do I have left? 1, 2, 3. Now I've got to take away 2 10 sticks. That means I have 2 10 sticks left. So the answer is 23. All right, I hope that helped you, help your kids understand subtracting two-digit numbers with regrouping.